Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So welcome back to another grocery haul. This is going to be a keto friendly grocery haul. Today I shopped at Aldi. So I'm back from my business trip. You should have seen my video, maybe you won't. You're going to see this grocery haul before you'll see the video of the business trip. So you'll see this one first, the business trip will follow. But I shopped at Aldi today. So when I did my grocery budget for the month, I had about $36 for this week. Well, I received a $25 gift card to Aldi. So thank you very much for that gift card. That was a blessing to our family. And so I shopped at Aldi for these few items. I also retired from the board of directors that I have worked on for the last 10 years. And they gifted me a gift card. So I'm going to use some of that towards groceries. And I still have my $36 that I had allocated for groceries. So let me share with you my Aldi haul. Okay, we got some jalapenos for jalapeno poppers or jalapeno popper dip or soup, whichever one we decide. They were like 79 cents. We picked up one large cucumber that we're going to slice for 49 cents. They actually had the Two Good yogurts for $1.25. They had, we needed tomato paste for a couple of recipes at 39 cents. Spinach was $1.29. Cream cheese was 79 cents. Heavy whipping cream was $1.55. The unsweet vanilla almond milk was $1.89. Cut green beans were 49 cents each. The zucchini were $1.53 or $1.23. I can't remember. But I got two of those. I'm going to do zucchini boats. And then I picked up the blueberries at $1.19 and strawberries at $1.99. So this is my Aldi haul. I'm going to share with you Harris Teeter and Walmart. Okay, you guys, so we are back from Walmart. And here is our Walmart haul. So I did want to share with you this little bit, and then we're going to take you into our meal plan because we actually do have to sit down and do some planning. So we got 4 things of frozen cauliflower. We're going to use a couple of these for rice. These are just the florets. We're going to put them in our food processor and rice them. So they were 98 cents a piece. I got 4. We got some broccoli cuts. They were 77 cents. The broccoli florets were 98. So we just got the broccoli cuts. I got 4 Powerades, and let me tell you why. These are Powerade Zeros. They're for the kids. This week coming up, Monday, the kids actually will go to Ninja Camp. So they will have camp all week long, and they're there from 8 to 5. So we have to pack their lunch and some snacks. So I got 2 apiece, and they can actually split these in half. We're going to break these down because they're 32 ounces. We'll just get an empty water bottle and break these down into 4. And then they'll have 4 apiece. And then one day it'll just be plain water. And they were 72 cents each. We got grated Parm at $2.38. We got the sugar-free hickory was $2.62. And then the sweet and spicy barbecue sauce was $3.26. And then the sugar-free ketchup was $2.88. We were out of all of those things. I picked up some garlic parmesan wing seasoning mix, but I'm actually going to use this on chicken thighs along with some of these ranch. This was 94. These were 50 cents each. We got thick cut bologna for the kids to take sandwiches for camp. They were 98 cents, so I picked up 3. I think my mom will probably eat some of this. I did get them some cheddar cheese sticks, $3.12. Then we picked up some small shrimp. And then some extra large shrimp. They were right at $5 and some change a piece. We picked up fully cooked sausage. The family size bag was $6.16. And then we picked up 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and they were $4.73. I actually like getting them at Walmart because I can get 3 pounds, and that was a good price. It's boneless and skinless, so I don't have to worry about the bone. If I find them cheaper, I'll buy them cheaper, but that was a good deal for me. We got these mega sours at $3.47. They'll take those for camp. Then we got some sugar-free gummies. They were $1.98. And then we got this sugar-free chocolate. This is the Russell Stover's. We like this. It may not be exactly strict. It's not strict keto, we know. But this was $4.98, and my mom likes these. I like them, and Jackson, Alana will not eat that at all. Jackson asked for pistachios for his lunchbox next week for camp. So they were $3.83, I think. Pecans, so he can do some of the pralines. They were $4.73. And then we got some individually packed snack sticks that will go in lunchboxes as well. So, okay, and then up here, we ended up getting the 36 count eggs. They were $2.73. We got some of the clear seltzer water. That was $2.64. We got 2 of the butter flavor spray at $1.38. Picked up some of this mango and coconut water hand soap. They were 75 cents each because we are out of hand soap in several places. Picked up this cocoa butter and shea body wash. I got the big one, and Alana and I are going to share that one. It was $2.94 for the 28 ounces, and the 15 ounces was $1.88. So we'll just split it in half and share, no problem. Picked up almond flour at $10 and some change, and then a diet cranberry family size drink for $2.24. So that's everything we picked up at our local Walmart, and our bill was right at $102. $102 and I think some change. So I had a $50 gift card. I used a little bit of that. I used about $32 of that. I ended up having $56 in cash because I had some leftover cash from my business trip, so I just lumped that in. So that was, let's see, 56 and 32 was 88, and then I put $14 on my debit card. So I just used that because Dad sent some money, and I didn't pull out any cash. I just had that money that he sent. I've got Taekwondo I have to pay for this week, and they're going to a tournament, and then there was a few extra dollars for groceries. So $14 of what Dad sent went towards the groceries. Okay, so Jackson and I popped into Harris Teeter specifically for this. 97 cents a pack cheese was the Evic special, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's Friday when I'm filming this, so we waited to get this. Actually, I just got back from my business trip yesterday evening, so I waited until today to finish up groceries. So here are 4 packages of cheese, 97 cents each. Then we got these La Banderita carb counter wraps. The kids will use these next week for lunches. So they were $2.49. That's the cheapest we found. We like the Mission brand better, but they're $3.99 to almost $6. So we'll take $2.49 with no problem. Picked up a moveless butter at $2.99, and then some sourdough Wassa crackers. These are the ones that Alana will eat. They're okay on carbs. They're not the best, but she can have one. And we spent right at $17 at Harris Teeter. So 4, 7, these were 3, that's 10, 15, and some tax. So right at $17 once we used our big card. So all in all, our groceries this week were right at $120. Now stay tuned for the meal plan. Okay, you guys, so here's what I'm going to be making this week. This is from the Southern Keto Cookbook. These are the Memphis style ribs. So this is what this looks like. This will be one of the meals. We're also going to do the sheet pan garlic butter shrimp. I got some extra large shrimp that I'm going to do this garlic butter sauce on, and maybe do some zoodles or something of that nature, or maybe just some broccoli. And then we're going to do, Jackson's going to make some toasted pralines. Praline toasted pecans. I'm going to do some of the turnip fries again with the dipping sauce, and I'm going to do some fried fish. And then from the Craveable Keto Cookbook, we're going to do these chicken parm zucchini boats, but I'm actually going to sub in the chicken for some sausage, some sweet Italian mild sausage. And then we're going to do some crispy chicken thighs with vegetables, but I'm actually going to make these garlic parmesan chicken thighs. And then we're also going to do this Philly cheesesteak casserole. I do have to get some peppers and onions, which I did not have. I just forgot to get that. But we are going to do this as well. And then we're also going to do a Philly I'm at a bacon chicken ranch jalapeno poppers. So this is what this looks like, bacon chicken ranch jalapeno poppers, and we're going to be doing that. So we have a good amount of meals planned for this next week. So I just wrote them down. I didn't put them on any specific day. The kids have camp all next week, and so it just depends on what I feel like while I'm here with my mom. So Memphis ribs, garlic parm chicken thighs, sheet pan garlic butter shrimp, turnip fries and fresh fish, bacon chicken ranch jalapeno poppers, Philly cheesesteak casserole, and the Italian sausage stuffed zucchini boats. So that is our grocery haul and our meal plan. We hope that you are inspired this week by something that we were able to do. Remember, with the grocery haul, the kids are going to camp next week, so there's some camp staples in there. And I'm just getting back from a business trip, so I have not been to the grocery store, and the kids were, my sister was here, my son was here, my older son, so they've eaten what we had, and I just needed to supplement in some things. So anyway, there it is, our meal plan. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.